Namaskar. Hello friends. I welcome all of you to Study by Technologies. In our today's session, we will discuss about MongoDB security. I'll give you an overview and we'll have a demonstration of the same. So let's go ahead and see how we can secure our database within the MongoDB. So this is my MongoDB database server actually. So the first step is we have to start this MongoDB database using the command MongoDB. MongoDB. In your real time, you can start with MongoDB port number and DB path, whatever the path you are giving that you can use here. So let's go ahead and start it. Now you can see here that this is waiting for a connection on port number 27017, which is basically the default port for MongoDB. So now let us do one thing. Let me open a duplicate session and let me connect it to Mongo, the root, this is the password. Now I'm going to connect this database using the Mongo client. You can see here that now this is MongoDB Enterprise. First of all, I have to use the database admin, fine. And then within admin, I need to create one user, that is db dot create user. This is the command, okay. And then we have to specify it within the brackets, something like this is the username admin, okay. Then we have password. Let's say I'm using password admin 123, okay. Or we can make it admin @ 123. That is good enough actually. Then we have to specify the roles. Without roles, or I mean to say, without specifying the roles, you will get an error that this database needs to have some roles actually. So in the user as well, roles are required. So the role is the first role. Let me use it user admin any database. This is a kind of a DBA role actually. Okay. So let's put it in double quotes actually. It's like this way. Then we have DB colon admin. Okay. Now once it couldn't add user admin any database. Okay, got it. One second. Seems like I have made some spelling mistake here. A should be capital in admin. So next time please take care of it. db dot create user, okay, user, then username is admin, fine. Then we have password admin @ 123. Then we have roles, okay, the role is user admin any database, admin any database, and we have db to be admin. Okay, you can see here that successfully added the user. This is the username and these are the roles and this is the database here. Now we have to check if the authentication is successful or not. So in order to do that, we have to log in using db.auth. First you have to enter the username and second you have to enter the password. Okay. successfully authenticated as principal admin on admin. You can see here in the below service. And if you get 1 over here, it means like database authentication is successful. Okay. Otherwise, you will get 0 and some error as well. Fine. So we can see here that we are able to log into this database. So we can simply go ahead and exit from here. Okay. And we have to confirm this case as well on the mongod.conf file. Okay. So for the same, let us open this mongod.conf file actually. We can find this conf file actually etc, or we can directly use vi editor. That's something like vi /etc slash mongod.conf file. Okay. Now here, once you go down, you can find one security here. Just uncomment the security, and within the security you have to mention as authorization enabled. Okay, authorization enabled colon WQ. Now we have to stop this MongoDB service, and we need to restart the same. Just stop it by pressing Ctrl C button. Now the thing is like you have to start this Mongo database using authority mode. Something like MongoDB colon authority. Okay. Now it is waiting for the connection to the port. No issues at all. Now you can open the Mongo database. If you are connected to this enterprise version. Now, if I fire the command to dbs, you will find out that you are not authorized on admin to execute this particular command. Right? In order to get the authentication, what you need to do is like use admin first of all. Then you need to log in by using the command db.auth. Username is admin. Password is admin@123. Now you are able to log in. You are authorized. Now fire the command show dbs, and you will be able to see the databases. Okay. Similarly, you can try to create a database, new database as well. Command use demo. Okay, and db.create collection. Let's say employee. Okay, this should be collection. Again, it will say you are not authorized on demo to execute the command. Why so? Because I do not have role on any role as a read or write role on this demo database. So what I need to do is I need to create a user for the demo database as well, which has read or write access on this demo database. Again, let's go ahead, use demo. Okay, then we can db.create user. Okay, then username is, let's say, D. Okay, and then we have password as whatever password you want to use, like cwd @123. Okay, roles. That's it. This is db owner. Okay, and the database name is demo. Now you can see here that you are added to this particular new user has been added. and it is having a DB owner permission on the demo database. Now what you can do is like simply go ahead and check like db.auth. Okay, then your username and your password. If you get 1, it simply means like you are authenticated to the database. Yes, you got 1. Now you can simply go ahead and file command db.create collection, and you can see here that collection created successfully. Right? So I hope now you have got some basic idea. First of all, create an administrative user. Again, this is a one-time activity. Update the same to your MongoDB.conf file. Set the security enabled over there, authorization enabled over there. After that, restart the MongoDB service. Start it using your MongoDB space double hyphen auth, and then you can create user related to your databases so as to secure them. I hope this concept is clear to you. Please let me know if you have any query, any question. Just type your remarks on the comment box. And please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice time ahead. Namaskar.